In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your caller ID on your iPhone. So there's two things to do. It's very simple, and this is going to block the caller ID going out and coming in. So what you can do is go to settings and go ahead and find your phone app on your apps section of your settings. And what you want to do first is go to show my caller ID, and you want to go ahead and turn this off so that when you call and when you make an outgoing call, your caller ID will not show. It'll most likely just show your own number. The second thing you can do is go back out to your phone settings and go to call blocking and identification at the very bottom here. And what you want to do is go to business call identification, and you want to turn this off. That way, anyone that calls you, you won't see their ID, you won't see their caller ID, and that way it will be disabled permanently. And this will also disable anyone calling, not just businesses itself. So those are two ways to turn off your caller ID